Welcome to another Bforartists 4.4.3 release. This release is based on Blender 4.43 and 4.5.0 Alpha to the date, with a new splash screen by myself, Andres or Dre Stevens, a core developer of Bforartists. And the big aspect of this particular release are the new smart primitive assets developed for the new asset shelf for you to use for free today with Gizmos, and another 33 and 15 tasks accumulated with much love and stability also from Blender. Another new feature is the library reorder operators. This piece is done by Harpoon Lobotomy. So if you go into the preferences, go inside your file paths, you now have these operators thanks to Quackers to move your asset library up or down inside of the list to reorder your asset libraries in an organized way. The next new feature are the quick assign node groups to asset shelves directly from the tags panel in the asset browser. This piece is kindly provided by Killin Smalls, and as in a geometry node setup, you may want to mark your asset as a node group and store it and show it in the asset shelf. To do this, all you have to do is click on assign the node group, and this will assign some pre-established tags so that your node group will show up in the correct asset shelf per editor. The next new feature are exposed viewers to node editor headers, so you can discover what hotkeys and what features are coming to the new compositor with multi-viewers. This next piece is done by Belsunce. With this example, we have two new viewers that we can now discover inside the viewer menu, where we can unassign a viewer or link to a viewer and see the hotkeys to do it. Another new feature from Blender that we have adopted are the interface updates with the theme editor border width. This art piece is kindly provided by I'm Kinda Direct. To use the width border, you go to your preferences, go inside your interface, editors, and then border width to change the width of your borders with a new highlight. Along with the interface updates, we also have done general maintenance with weekly merges, bug fixes, feature parity, and keeping things up to date from Blender to Bforartists. So what's new from Blender and this particular release? Well, the first things we have are Manifold Boolean methods, which are far more performant with meshes that contain no holes and that are not flat. This piece is provided by Slink, and Blender also includes Compositor Image Info nodes, search tab highlights and property editors, new sculpt plane brush, relationship overlays, and much love, including 700 bug fixes and another 120 with this point release. So download Bforartists 4.43 today. It's 100% free. You can download this from Flatpak, Blender Launcher, a Windows app, or directly as an installer or zip file, or Debian or Universal Installer for Mac from www.bforartists.de/download. This particular project is thanks to you for using this for your artwork. And I would also like to thank Linux, who has been doing the Linux and Mac OS builds with maintenance tasks, who I sponsor. As a developer, I'd like to thank your direct support to other developers through Patreon and or Ko-Fi or PayPal. Support those who do what you love most, even Blender, and let's be for artists.